In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain in Squarespace. And the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you pick the right website that you want to add your Squarespace subdomain to. And in my case, I'm going to add one to Digital Growth Agency. And what we need to do, if we are on the dashboard, we need to go over to the right hand side, click on the three dots, and then we need to go down to where it says settings. From here, we need to go over to where it says domains and email, click on that. We then need to click domains. And then if you do have multiple domains, you need to click the one that you want to add a subdomain to. So in my case, what I'm going to do is add a subdomain to opulent-digital.com. So I'm going to click on that. And then from the left-hand side menu, you need to go ahead and click website. And this is going to bring up the domain forwarding menu. So what we need to do is go ahead and add a rule. From here, we need to add what we want our subdomain to actually be. And in my case, I actually want to send people to my Instagram account of my Opulent Digital business page. So this is just going to be an example. So I'm going to have my subdomain as instagram.opulent-digital.com. And then down below, we need to add the website that we actually want them to be forwarded to. So in my case, obviously, I would normally go to my Opulent Digital Instagram page, but I'm just going to forward it just to Instagram just for the example purposes of this video. From here, there are some advanced settings, so we need to pick whether we want it to be a temporary redirect or a permanent redirect. It gives you a little bit more options, and it's going to very much vary for what you're trying to achieve. It's going to then give you the option of SSL on or SSL off. I normally recommend to always have SSL on. And then it's going to give you an option on the path forwarding. And I always like to remove paths because having the just .com or the extension without that .html at the end, I just think it looks a lot cleaner. So once we're happy with that, we scroll all the way to the top and then we click save. This is then going to give us a message that is going to take around 24 to 48 hours for our redirect to be set up and all going through with the SSL certificate. But if we actually do click OK and we go and click on our new subdomain, which is instagram.opulent-digital.com, it's going to initially come up with this message because we haven't generated that SSL certificate yet. But if we actually go ahead and click advance and then click proceed to instagram.opulent-digital.com, it's going to successfully redirect us to the page that we wanted to do. But once again, do remember, after around 24 to 48 hours, you won't get that warning message because the SSL certificate would be added and it will be a secure connection. But that's essentially how you can add a sub or forwarding domain to your Squarespace account. Hope this video helped.